What's up, going goodies? Welcome back to your girl channel. Today I am going to be making some nice pork. Yes, man. So I have these like pork steaks, I could call them. I already seasoned these. I'm just gonna go over the seasoning because I have them seasoned from overnight. I use some garlic powder and onion powder. I use some garlic pepper powder, paprika, all-purpose Maggi seasoning, all-purpose Cool Running seasoning, and I use some Maggi chicken seasoning and some Cool Runnings meat seasoning. I also go in and I added a little bit of crushed garlic, chili flakes, and some paprika. I didn't measure these, I just estimated. So you can just go ahead and estimate as well. So here I have a pot, nice thick Dutch pot that I am going to cook my pork. So I'm just melting some butter because I'm basically going to do this like a beef steak. So I've added some ginger, some onions, and some thyme. And I'm now going to add my meat. You can add some garlic, so I'm adding some minced garlic, but you can add like 2 cloves of garlic. If you love garlic, please go ahead and add as much as you want, because garlic, I'm telling you, I love garlic, so I like to add a lot of garlic to my cooking. Okay, so when that nice and kind of like all of the things them gone in the butter, now you just want to add your pork steaks. So I'm just gonna let these brown on both sides. So I'm putting them in for about 10 minutes on each side, or until it is nice and brown the way I like it. So just leave them like this, let them stay there and brown. As you can see, my pot kind of look tight, so you don't have to put all of them in there one time, but I'm fast tracking here. So I went ahead and I turned them over because I was satisfied with the sides, the way those sides were looking. Don't want them to burn too much, but still want a little bit of golden color on them. So this is what it is looking like, and the smell that is coming from this pot, and it's not even done yet, is unbelievable. All right, so all that juice, all that butter with the garlic and the onion and the thyme. All right, so I went ahead and I removed them. So I also remove some of the oil. If you have too much oil, remove some. To this same pot, I'm going to be adding some oyster flavor sauce. Also going to go in with some, Lord, I can't pronounce it, but Worcestershire sauce. Hopefully I pronounce it correctly. People say watch your sister sauce. I'm going in with teriyaki as well. You want to turn down your stove if it's too high, because it's kind of high right now. So now I'm turning it down while I'm adding my sauce. After you finish adding your sauce, then you can crack it back up a notch. So you can just put it on low right now. So after I went in with my sauce, I'm also going to go in with some ketchup. And I'm using about a tablespoon of ketchup, and I'm using half tablespoon of brown sugar just to balance out the flavor. So you have the sweet, the tangy from the ketchup and the Worcestershire sauce. You have the ginger, all of that. You just need to balance back with some sweetness. So here I'm adding the water now. So I'm just gonna spin this around for about 2 to 3 minutes, and then of course we're going to add our other seasoning, like you can add more onions, bell peppers. You can also go ahead and add a piece of scallion or green onion if you have that. Then you want to pop back those nice pork into the pot. You don't need a lot of water here because these pork steaks, they're very tender. I didn't even have to do this second, but I want all of that nice juice, that nice sauce on it. But you could have just fried it and eat it just like that, trust me. Okay, so I'm just gonna leave it just like that. I want to keep basting it, and I'm also going to keep turning it on the other side so all of my sauce will get into that pork. Okay, so like as I said, I'm gonna keep turning them over so both sides, you know, the juice go right through and through these pork. So this is what it is looking like already. It is almost done. It doesn't need a lot of time, about 15 more minutes, and it will be ready. So as you can see here, goodies, the gravy almost dry out, and that is what you're looking for. When it's nice and thick and start almost like a fry up. So I went in now with my green onions because I love to add the green onion at the end. I just love the flavor that it gives, like a nice fresh flavor. It is not cooked out or anything. You can chew into the green onions. You can also add some fresh garlic at this point as well, as I said, if you love garlic. And just to garnish, you can add whatever you want, or you can just enjoy your meal like this. It is very, very delicious. Please try this recipe and let me know what you think about it. Leave me a comment, goodies, and remember to subscribe to the channel. It is free. Help your girl channel. Okay, goodies. All right, until next time, what good. May the good Lord bless you.